All right. So next topic is order of operation. This is important because I find it that students don't know how to put proper parentheses in the scientific calculator because they don't know the order of operation. So I guess so that's what you need. Kaya sige ako tinututo tong calculator, how to use scientific calculator para sa tertetsyo. Nagkukuril agapit ipa. Or, kung gintagaan ka mo ng expression, you should know how to input it in your own calculator. So, order operation really is how orders should be understood. Example, I have a numbers or an operation here. Maybe I can just put 2 divided by 3 squared times 5 plus 2. Of course, if you plug this into a calculator, it will just read from left to right. If you don't know that, you should put parentheses on the things that you should do first. So again, any order operation usually categorized as PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So that's what the order should be. Of course. But anyway, to explain my point, if you have this, your calculator will just evaluate it 2 divided by, of course, your calculator will understand that before you divide it by 2, that 3 would be squared first because that is included in the PEMDAS, exponent before division, exponent before division. So, what it does, it will not divide 2 divided by 3, but raise first squared. Okay, so as if you're saying 2 divided by 9. Okay, so 2 divided by 9, and then next to it, you multiply it by 5. So 2 divided by 9 is 2 over 9 times 5, and then plus 2. So it will just execute from left to right. So 2 divided by 9. So we divide 2 divided by 9. I think there are 2. There are 2 for 20. You point 0 here. I think there are 2 nines. So that would be 18. So you have 2 again. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 for 2 all over 9. And then you multiply it by 5. Actually, you can multiply 5 to with 5, but you can also multiply 5 by 2. Not the point 2, but 5 times 2, which is 10. So that is 10 all over 9. This 2 here because that's a fraction. Okay? So 2 10 all over 9. So pwede kaliwat, adi nga 0.222. 0.22222 times 5. You can multiply it. 5 times 2. So that is 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1. 5 times 2 is 10, 11. Sorry. Carry 1. 11, carry 1, 11, carry 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that would be a point, how much? 1.1, 1.11111, 1.1111111, because the point 2 is never ending, so the 111 is never ending. So here you have 10 all over 9. 10 divided by 9, of course that is 1 times 9, 9, and then you have 1, 0, then you have point 1 again because you put 0, then 1, 1 times 9 is 9 again, and then the point 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, still the same. So as I told you, so 1.111 plus 2 now, 1.11111 plus 2, that should give you a 3.11111. So meaning, by looking at that, so your answer from left to right, that should be a 3.11111. May I check with the calculator? 2 divided by 3 squared times 5 plus 2. Chideng. So 28 all over 9, or there. So 3.11111. So kung diretso la, so you should know nga answer is 31, that is A, B, C, C, A. Diba? Ano mo 1 is converted to, I mean, rounded off to 1. Also, yan nga, maanong ka na nga PIMDA City. Therefore, kung dito ka rin gamot yung kasi, for example, I want the 5 plus 2 first. If you put a parenthesis here, because parenthesis comes first before the addition, so this would be interpreted as 2 divided by 9 times 5 plus 2, which 5 plus 2 is 7 actually. So that would be 2 all over 9 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 all over 9. So 14, 14 all over 9. That should be a 1. 1 times 9, 9. That is 5. So 0, you put 50. So that would be 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Oh, yes. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. And then carry 5. So that would be a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So 14 all over 9 is 1.55555. 14 divided by 9 is a 1.55555. Anyway, so kung meaning kung gindiretso ko an na tong expression ade, gimbutahan ko lang parenthesis, may I use my calculator, 2 divided by 3 squared, tapos I put a times and then a parenthesis 5 plus 2, diba? So I put it like that. Your answer would be a 14 all over 9, or changing to decimal, that would be a 1.555. So naibahiya. Okay? So amo ito nasa ako iyo, dapat maarap ka magbutang parenthesis kung ano tiyo karuyag unahon. Because the calculator really will just evaluate it from left to right, maliban kung masunod ka nimo PEMDAS sa nimo parenthesis anay, kung ano tiyo mo karuyag unahon. Okay? So for 1.5, your 1.5 or 1.6, the answer would be 1.6. Kanina, ang answer is 3.1, di ba? So, iba ya, pareho lagi ha. Pero kung butang mo lang parenthesis, ang answer naging 1.6 or 1.55, 1.5555. 1.6 is A, 6 is how much? A, B, C, D, E, F. So, that is an AF answer. Okay? For heading expression, yung butang kulahin, parenthesis. How about kung I'll delete this. I'll delete this guy over here. And then I will put a parenthesis here first. Sa amin gamit parenthesis. Kung ano tim karog unahon, butang parenthesis. Okay? Tapos katima ito is karog ko igsunod niya adi. Or adi. Adi. Tumay ba yung answer? Meaning, uunahon ni adi, next is, uunahon, sisunod niya pag plus anto, kaya nagbutang ka kang parenthesis. Bisan, di rin niya ikaduhaan to, according to PIMDAS, yan na, igsusunod niya itong plus 2. Katimat imo 3 squared times 5. Kaya nagbutang ka manhin parenthesis. So, meaning, iniya, that would be evaluated as 2 divided by 3 squared times 5. That is, ginuna kasi niya, so that would be a 9 times 5, tapos nagparenthesis ka nila, plus 2. So, that would be a 45 plus 2. So, that would be a 47. So, 2 divided by 47. Ito yan na. So, 2 divided by 47, 2 divided by 47, your calculator will tell you how much. 47, I think there are 0.0. So, there are 2 zeros. 20. So, I think there are 4. 4 times 7 is 4 times 7 is 28. 28 carry 2. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2 is 18. So you have 10, 2. Tapos sa d9 nala, 9 minus 1, that's 1. So you have 12. And then I'll put another 0. Then I'll put how much? 2, 3. So I'll try 3. 3 times 7 is 21 carry 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2. 12, 14. Sobra na. So that should only be 2. 247. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 4 is 8. plus 2, that is 10. So you have 10 minus 4, that is 6, and then 1 naladi, you have 16. So you put another 160, that should be, I think, 3. 3 times 7 is 21, and then you have 2. 7 times 4 is 3 times 4, sorry, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2, that is 14. So you'll go back to 141. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. And then 5 na lain, 5 minus 4, that would be 1. 19. But anyway, your answer should be 0.42. 0.42 for this expression nga imo gibutangan hindo nga parenthesis. May I try to use my calculator? 2 divided by parenthesis 9 times 5, so plus 2. So I'll input it in my calculator with that parenthesis, and then it will spit out 2 over 47, which is in turn 0.0423. 04 pala to, sorry. 0423 kasi dalawa pa lang 0 dito. Mayroon pa lang 0 dito. So 0.0423. But again, from our multiple choice, the answer should be 42 because ang 0 left is not significant. Therefore, we use 42. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. 4 is D. 4 is D and 2 is B. So your answer should be DB. So that is order of operation. Thank you guys.